Hi, welcome to Wise Guys. This video I will show you the addition and the subtraction with radicals and inside the radical number with numbers. As if the first question I will show you is we have 3 square root 2 minus square root 3 plus 6 root 3 plus 7 root 2. This addition and the subtraction, we first read the question. This is square root 2, this is square root 3. So 3 times square root 2, the 3 is a coefficient of square root. And this is square root 2, and this is square root 3. Is infinite no number, which is 1 square root 3. And square root 2 with square root 3 are not similar radicals. When we combine the addition or subtract, we need looking for the similar radicals, which is square root 2. So here is another square root 2. So these two are similar radicals. Even 3 and 7 different. The 3 and a coefficient of square root 2, and 7 also is the coefficient of square root 2. Just like we do if we have 3x plus 7x. So we know algebra is like terms. We got the 10x. Just like x represent number of apples. The 3 apples plus 7 apples, total is 10 apples, right? Same thing, the square root 2 is we call similar radical. So we combine together, we can, the first step you can put them together, right? Because this is add together. And radical 3, square root 3 and square root 3, they are like terms. So minus root 3 plus 6 root 3. And we combine with the coefficient 3 plus 7 is called 10 square root 2. The negative 1 and the plus 6, which is plus 5. And square root 2 square root 3 are unlike, it's not similar radicals. So also we can say unlike terms, we cannot combine. So this is the answer. Second question, square root 45 minus 2 root 5 plus 3 root 20. This question, we look at the inside the square root at 45, and we can simplify. And this is inside square root 5, already simplified. And square root 20, we can simplify. So how to simplify square root 45? We try 45, because square root we're looking for pair, right? Pair of numbers. So 45 is divided by 3. 45 is 4 plus 5 is 9. Divided by 3, we have 15. And divide the 3 again, we got the 5. So we got the pair of 3. So we can write 3 square, because 3 times 3, and multiply 5. And this is keep unchanged. And square root 20, we can write square root 20, factoring square root 20. An even number is 2. 20 divided 2 equals 10. And keep divided by 2, got the 5. We got the pair of 2. So we have inside square root, right? The 2 square multiply 5. You can simplify 3 square, get out square root, get the 3, square root 5, minus 2 square root 5, plus 2 square root 5, right? This is 2 square. So then we can see this negative 2 square root 5, positive square root 5, positive 2 square root 5, both can be cancelled, because negative 2 plus positive 2 cancel. So the answer we got 3 square root of 5, right? Okay. Next one, I want to show you if addition, subtraction radicals with cube root. So the question 3 is 5 cube root 3 plus 2 cube root 24 minus cube root 3 times cube root 81. Because cube root, we need to find 3 factors. When we do square root, we find pair of numbers. If you have 2 3, you have 2 5, or you have 2 7 something. But now the cube root, we need looking for inside the cube root if we can find 3 identical factors. So the cube root 3 already simplified, right? Let's say cube root 24. So we do 24 is even number divided by 2. Become 12 divided 2 becomes 6 divided another 2 becomes 3, right? That's 24 equal 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. So we can write here is 5 square cube root 3 plus 2 cube root inside the 2 the cube 2 to the cube times 3. And the 81, we also can try 81. Say 81 is 8 plus 1 is 9, which is divided by 3. And then we can see this one is 2, 7, 27 divided by 3 equals 9, and divided by 3 equals 3. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 multiplied together. But this is cube root. We're looking for 3 factors, right? So we can write 3 in front. This is the coefficient. This is 3 cubed. And this is another 3. So we calculate the cube root. We need to find 3 identical factors. Even this is another 3, but this is only 1, so we stay inside. So when we simplify this radical, we have 5 radical 3. This number write smaller. You don't write bigger. Okay, otherwise like 53. Okay, now you write this one. Be careful. The 2 is here. You can put the bracket after 2 cubed, get out the radical is 2. Right? 2 cubed, the cube root of 2, and this is a 3, stay inside cube root 3. And the second is this one is 3 times the 3 cubed, get our radical is 3, and the cube root 3. Then you write into 5 cube root 3, and the 2 times 2 equals 4 cube root 3, and 3 times 3 is 9 cube root 3. Now always cube root 3, they are similar radicals. You are combined into 5 plus 4 equals 9. 9 minus 9 equals 0. So this answer is 0. Just to cancel out each other. The last question I will show you, if we got radical index, if we got the 4th root, just to let you know, this is also is kind of patterns for 4th root 32. Similarity, when you got the square root, you're looking for a pair of identical number. And when you got cube root, you're looking for 3 identical factors. When you got the 4th root, obviously, see, follow the pattern, we're looking for 4 identical numbers. let's see, the fourth root 2 already simplified. We're looking for 32. How to factor out 32? 32 is even number. We can divide by 2. You got 16. Divided 2, got 8. Divide another 2, got 4. Another 2 equal 2. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 multiplied together, which is 32 is 2 to the 5 exponent. But it's radical index 4. We're only looking 4 identical factors. These 4. Okay? That's why we can write this one into 9 fourth root 2 plus fourth root. This one is 2 to the 4 exponent, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, and time another 2. So we have 9 fourth root 2 plus, you have 2 to the 4 exponent because fourth radical index, then this one cancel out, you got the 2 out, and this stay inside, only 1, 2, right? That's why we can add 9 with 2 because fourth root 2 are similar radicals. So we got 11 fourth root 2. Okay, it's presented by Wise Guys. Thank you.